done messed up, Aaron!
Do you feel like Aaron always messing up on your math? Well, if you need math help, then you are in the right place. Before long, I'll have you saying,
Math is a really cool thing.
I am the math professor, Kyle Martin, and this is the channel where you do your math homework fast and accurately. As a high school math teacher who has had hundreds of kids pass through my class, and more importantly, pass my class, I know you just want to get your math homework done quick and correctly. To help you with this, I've made several playlists just for my subscribers here on YouTube. For your convenience, I've also organized these same math videos by class and topic on my website linked in the description below. For example, I have videos on fractions for pre-algebra, factoring for algebra 1, functions for algebra 2, proofs for geometry, radical equations for college algebra, and so much more. Go ahead, subscribe, and click on whichever playlist you need, and you'll have that math homework done before no time.